Welcome back to another exciting video. I hope you're all doing great today. If you've been keeping an eye on the cryptocurrency market over the past 24 hours, there's been a whirlwind of activity. From Bitcoin's impressive price movements to significant shifts in altcoins and whale activity, there's a lot to unpack. So, let's dive straight into the details of what's been happening and why it matters. To kick things off, Bitcoin has made some notable moves. It recently managed to break out of what's often referred to as the death cross, a bearish technical pattern that typically signals a potential downtrend. This breakout occurred between the $96K and $97K levels. Following this, Bitcoin soared past a critical resistance point at $98K. Right now, the market has entered a consolidation phase, which is vital for price stability and long-term growth. During consolidation phases, the market often sees a mix of selling pressure from short-term traders taking profits and new buying interest from retail investors and institutional players who don't want to miss out on the next rally. This balance ensures the market has a chance to cool off before potentially resuming its upward momentum. While Bitcoin is holding strong, the altcoin market has experienced a minor dip, with some coins down by 2 to 3%. However, this is not unusual during consolidation periods. Altcoins often follow Bitcoin's lead, and as long as Bitcoin maintains its stability around $98K, we can expect altcoins to recover and potentially perform well in the near future. One of the standout events in the past day involved Dogecoin. A staggering 399 million Dogecoin, worth approximately $144 million, was transferred from Binance to an unknown wallet. This indicates significant whale accumulation, suggesting that major players are betting on Dogecoin's long-term potential. Interestingly, Dogecoin's price action has been quite dynamic. According to the 1-hour chart, support levels at 36 cents and 39 cents. Both of these levels were breached during a market-wide sell-off, likely triggered by profit taking from large holders. Despite this, Dogecoin has shown resilience, and as long as it remains above 40 cents, the outlook remains bullish. Another critical metric to watch is open interest, which reflects the total number of outstanding derivative contracts. In just 48 hours, open interest climbed from $1.6 billion to $2.6 billion, signaling a surge in market participation. While the long-to-short ratio for Bitcoin has dropped from 66% to 57%, Dogecoin's ratio remains more favorable for long traders, indicating stronger confidence in its upward potential. On a broader scale, there's growing momentum for Bitcoin adoption at the state level in the U.S. At least 13 states, including Ohio and Pennsylvania, are exploring the possibility of establishing Bitcoin reserves. These reserves could act as a hedge against inflation and the devaluation of the US dollar. Globally, countries like Japan and Switzerland are already implementing similar strategies, aligning with corporate Bitcoin adoption. This shift highlights Bitcoin's growing importance as a financial asset and a potential tool for economic stability. As more states and nations embrace Bitcoin, its legitimacy and adoption are likely to increase, further driving demand. Despite Bitcoin's price stability, its trading volume has seen a notable decline, with a 37% dip recently. For Bitcoin to sustain its current momentum and climb to new highs, a significant boost in trading volume will be essential. Increased trading activity not only strengthens price trends, but also attracts more investors, creating a positive feedback loop. Institutional interest in Bitcoin continues to grow, with the CEO of Bitwise highlighting the rising demand for Bitcoin ETFs. A recent survey revealed that wealth managers are increasingly incorporating Bitcoin into their portfolios, giving millions of investors access to this burgeoning asset class. For example, a California-based wealth management firm recently invested in Bitcoin on behalf of 63 clients, further underscoring the growing appeal of cryptocurrency. Another noteworthy development is XRP's recent surge in transaction volume, which exceeded $7 billion. This indicates renewed interest in XRP and its underlying technology. However, caution is warranted as the broader market remains unpredictable. While the overall sentiment is optimistic, it's important to consider potential risks. Bitcoin could be forming a head and shoulders pattern, which might signal a correction to $78K if confirmed. To avoid this bearish scenario, Bitcoin needs to close strongly above $100K, ensuring continued upward momentum. Dogecoin has also seen a surge in optimism, with its price climbing 18% recently. As long as Dogecoin can sustain its price above 40 cents and Bitcoin remains in a positive trend, Dogecoin could experience significant gains. This bullish sentiment is echoed by the Dogecoin community, including its co-founder, who has expressed confidence in its future. The U.S. Congress is becoming increasingly pro-crypto, with 298 lawmakers from both parties receiving substantial support from the crypto industry. This bipartisan backing bodes well for the industry's future, as it paves the way for more favorable regulations and greater adoption. Ripple is also making headlines with its ambitious plans for XRP. New documents reveal that Ripple aims to expand its reach, with Japanese banks playing a significant role in its strategy. This aligns with broader efforts to enhance XRP's utility and adoption. For Bitcoin to maintain its current rally and reach new heights, it's crucial to overcome key resistance levels and avoid significant slowdowns. If trading volume picks up and institutional interest continues to grow, Bitcoin could surpass $100K and solidify its position as a leading asset. Remember, all of this is just my opinion and not financial advice. Always conduct your own research before making any investment decisions. The crypto market is volatile and unpredictable, but with careful analysis and a long-term perspective, there are plenty of opportunities to capitalize on its growth. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the crypto market. See you next time.